Uh, okay. Oh, Vasundhara, can you see these dimensions which are there?
Yes.
Actually, I don't know what are the standards here which we are following in MUIC.
Mm-hmm.
So whatever I'm telling you, this is from my old organization which I have learned. Okay.
Okay.
Basically, the dimensions which you are seeing here, we will be eliminating all these dimensions. There
Mm-hmm.
is no point of giving any dimensions like 1.95, 0.2 or 0.15, nothing.
Hmm.
We are eliminating all this conventional method, and we are only concentrating on the point where we are showing only on the datums.
Hmm.
Only the datum targets and line of access points. Very few, like a tooling cavity holes will be there for a few of the parts, which is more important.
Okay.
So only those things, only those concentrated things, only we used to give the dimension. With respect to those, we never used to give anything. Okay.
Okay.
So before going into MBD, this was the .drw.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now this is the part.
Okay.
So when you are into model or analysis folders, you can't able to see this plus sign. You can't able to add a new sheet. This
Yeah.
is something like which is equivalent, relevant to the Excel sheet by
Yeah.
clicking and adding a new sheet. In same way, here also this is also a same thing.
Yeah.
But the thing is like you can't able to add a new sheet when you until or unless you go to annotate tab.
Okay.
I hope you can find the difference.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Got it.
Okay, so if you go to annotate tab, then only it will be you can activate a new sheet. Okay,
Okay.
just click it. Okay, let's see here already. This was the default combo view. This was the new combo view which we have created as of now.
Okay.
Okay, here if you want to rename it, you can rename it. Only just this is basic stuff for like right click and giving.
Okay.
I don't know what are the naming conventions we are following here again, once again.
Yeah.
So as of now, I am giving as a top view. Okay. Enter. So if you want to delete this sheet once again, first I am telling you the basics and we can go deep. Okay.
Sure.
So if you want to delete this sheet, you can't able to delete until or unless you go to before tab. Okay.
Okay.
You have to go to the before tab, then you have to click a right click, then only you can rename it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
If you want me to repeat again, I can repeat it for you also.
No, I got it, Kiran. This. Yeah.
Okay. Please let me know because
Sure.
I can't able to understand like you are getting or not.
Sure. Sure.
So this is up to here.
Okay.
Now coming to here, now this is already in an isometric view, which means a default condition, right? So in default condition, you can't able to give any annotations. I think we can give it for. I think we can give it for a few notes and these things we can give. I don't know about that particularly. I'll check and I'll let you know regarding this thing.
Okay.
But for sure, majorly we can't able to give any annotations in isometric view.
Okay.
Okay. So for this thing, coming back to the drawing. See, first, here they have mentioned an diameter of the hole and they have attached an GD&T feature control frame to the dimension, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we can do that exercise as of now. Only one dimension I'm having in this thing. Okay, so click it here, right click first, and down. Again, I'm repeating it for you. In top view, edit definition. Okay. So every time the orientation will be in something like default orientation, standard orientation, something. Okay.
Yes.
So here you have to go for the top orientation. If it is top view.
Okay.
If it is top view, you have to go for top. If it is bottom, you have to go for bottom. If it is right, you have to go for right.
Okay.
So what this basically does is like it will set you the orientation in this tab only, particularly in this tab. So if you go back to the default all, it will be again into an isometric view.
Got it.
Okay. So for you, once again, I'm showing you. I'm adding a new sheet. Now I am creating right view. Okay.
Yeah. We can have a right view section here.
Right. So here again you have to click edit definition. Instead of this, you have to go with right. Okay,
Yeah.
that's it. So
Okay.
now in and this is something very equal to Excel sheet. Once again, I'm
Yeah.
telling you.
Yeah.
Default view isometric, top view top, right view right.
Right.
Okay. Now in same way, if you want an section view, but here this has to be default orientation. Okay. So as of now, I'm not changing the renaming. As of now, I have kept like that.
Okay.
So in few cases, there will be some datum targets or else something which is into sectional views. Maybe some few intricate parts also we need in sectional views, right? So what we have to do, give it edit definition. Here you can find a row called cross section. So already I have saved in sectional view. See here it is XSC. Maybe for this one also naming will be there for sure. Maybe it is A, B or C. You just click it OK.
Okay.
So in default orientation, you can see the sectional view as well.
Yes.
Okay. I hope you are clear till here.
Yeah, now it's all clear now.
Okay. Now coming to the dimension thing. See. Okay. Before starting, here one more thing you have to do. In top view, if you are trying to give an annotation, it will not take by default.
Okay.
So what you have to do, like you have to go with, when it is top, you have to go with the top view. When it is right view. When it is in back or front view, it has to be according to that view. Based on this view, you have to select this annotation plane.
Okay.
Okay, so now I am giving a dimension. Just pick the surfaces in MBD. Maybe I don't know whether here PPAP is happening or not. If PPAP happens, the surface has to be detected in the software.
Okay.
So that's the reason why we are picking here surface. Okay.
Okay.
There is a condition of giving an edges and points as well. I'll let you know about that one also.
Okay.
So the first condition is selecting of the surfaces. Okay. I have given an radius. I'm changing it to diameter. Okay. In references, you might think that already I have picked a surface, right?
Yeah.
But you have to select the entire whole diameter. So the other surface also you have to pick. It will not pick it automatically. Okay. Click it. Okay. Now just click back to top view. You can see it.
Yeah.
If anyone want to know the references from where you have given, they can find these references as well. See, it will highlight it automatically.
Yes.
So in future also, if you have changed this whole sum from this position to that position, it will change automatically.
Okay.
Okay. Now coming back to this 0.035, now you have to autoplay. See, okay. It has. I think you have understood. Previously, see, select it, move to plane. I'm showing you. See, in top view, if I have chosen this, you can find some. What was this leader line was below the part level. You can find it. There is no leader line, right?
Yes. Yes.
So what you have to do, you have to select a move to plane. You can choose either from the top surface which you are having, or else if you are having any top plane, you can check with the top plane as well.
Okay.
If it is top.
Okay.
In my case, the top plane was below, so I am going with the motor plane, and I have chosen this.
Okay.
So now you can check there will be no breakage in the leader line, right?
Got it.
Okay. Now attaching the feature control frame to this dimension particularly. Here I am having only one datum as of now. Okay, so one feature frame, one datum. So I will be attaching this to this position on annotated GDNT. Now just see, while you are created a feature control frame, just select this dimension.
Okay.
Okay. Now, whatever the symbol you need, position you need, and let's check. It is
0.010.
0.101. Yeah. Okay. So here you can change the value 0.01, and you need to add another feature control frame with the datum. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I have given it small. Actually, it has to supposed to be in caps. Okay. So before doing that, you have to check again. Once again, you have to check the references. Why? Because in BPAP software, it will be checking with respect to the surfaces, whether those surfaces has been picked or not.
Okay.
See, in this case, previously, why you have given a GDNT symbol, I have selected the dimensions.
Yeah.
Just to place this feature control frame. So again, you have to select the references and select the this one. Surface and surface. Okay. So again, we are telling them that like this position is applied to this whole this feature completely.
Okay.
Okay. So again, only if you click it here, it will be happening. Like basically, this is the thing we will be doing.
Yeah.
Not more or less. If there is more datums, you have to check with more datums like a top view, front view, right view.
Okay.
Okay. And one more thing like 0.15 annotate. Go to here. Here assign to state will be there. See what this assign to states will help you like. I will show you. See, already I have created multiple combo views like right view, left view, front view. Okay.
Yeah.
Instead of reworking again and again, you can right now I have given this dimension in top view, right?
Yes.
So if I have selected in right view, it will be automatically it will go to right view.
Okay. These are annotations will go in right view also. Okay.
Right view also. Cross section. See.
Yeah. Okay.
Same annotation. It has been displayed in right view.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And anything else if I'm forwarding? Annotation.
So how many,
if you
one
want,
quick question, Kiran, how many views are to be selected? How to decide on that? Now that we have selected top view and right view?
Yeah. That one I will tell you. That is completely based on the drawing.
Okay.
So in my thing, they have shown this dimension in top view, right?
Yes.
If they have shown this thing in bottom view, I will be going with bottom view. So whatever the views which we are seeing in .dw, you have to maintain those views in MBD.
Okay. Got it.
And most important thing I forgot, which is basic. See, here my datum has been started from here. So 0.34, 0.35. Majorly, we have to maintain that datum as per that itself, right? Yeah, see, I have created this .prt from this datum itself only.
Right.
So that is also important because instead of creating a new datum, you can utilize when you have started creating a part.
Okay.
So you can utilize these in datums.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. That's it for Sandra.
Okay, great. This was very useful, Kiran. Thanks for sharing the details.
I will let you know regarding that default condition also in this view. Actually, this was the default condition. I have pulled this note.
Okay.
So again, if you want to erase or delete this, what we call delete notes, again you can go to annotate and you can redelete it, erase it.
Okay.
Sorry, remove from the state. Remove from the state. If you have deleted here, it will be deleted completely, particularly in right view only.
Okay.
Suppose you have to work all these dimensions on top view, instead you have worked on right view.
Yeah.
Okay, so you will be giving all these dimensions to top view by assigning the state, and you want to remove these dimensions from here. So what you will be doing, you can remove from the state, you can do it and you can delete it.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, that's it.
Okay, just one more thing. The overlap of two models that you did in previously in jaw part. I wanted to understand which feature are you using to see this comparison of overlapping two models.
Okay, I'll show you. There are two ways that is for you particularly. In this assembly, this is very basic again. This is old method, which I prefer a lot.
Okay.
And new method is also there. See.
Assembling. Okay.
Okay, and this was the windshield part. Okay.
Yeah.
What we are doing? As Srisha requested to change the datums, I have changed the datums.
Okay.
So if I keep it in default condition, it will not come. Basically, that was the first step.
Yeah.
If you keep any in assembly, say, if it is .step file or else IGS file, or else someone has given you .prt and they asked you to match the file,
Yeah.
you can go to assembly. You don't need to worry about the constraints. You can keep it in default views every time.
Okay.
So it will be automatically overlapping with each other. So in my case, I have changed the datum, right? So that is the reason I am going with the constraints.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
this got it.
Now I will be changing the color for the part.
Yeah. Got it, Kiran.
So if it is something which is having the same common space area, you can which both the .prt and .step files are matching for you. It will be in something like this, particularly this portion from here to here. Okay. So it is completely matching. So it is like a
overlap exactly.
There will be no what you say. There will be no deflections.
Yeah.
Okay, coming to here, you can find deviations.
Yeah.
So here in this case, we have to concentrate it here. This was the method which I used to prefer.
Yeah.
Okay, and there is other method also. You can open this part. Okay, just go to tools, compare to the part if you can see here.
Yes, by geometry.
Okay, by geometry. With which part you want to compare? I'm comparing with practice part. Okay. So you have to give the measuring spaces. What these measuring spaces actually do? So you are creating a tolerance. Like you can check. It has to be 0 to 0. You are not giving any deviations need to be allowed.
Yeah.
So I'm actually applying it. But by default it will say take some few values.
Okay.
You can go with apply also.
Okay.
So see, this was the condition. Apply and close. Shit, I closed down. Again, I will do. Okay. Showing 100% matching.
This shows 100%. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's what I am.
I think it's taking some tolerance. Is that why?
No. Dot part. Compare dot part. Let me do it in assembly level if I can. Logging I used to do this. I have done it long back. Dot practice part comparing with this part. Zero. Okay. Don't know why, Vasundhara.
Yeah.
But I'll check on this and I'll come back to
Yeah.
you.
I think I've also used the assembly part earlier. I think if you have any more details, we can discuss. Otherwise, I think that's also a good way to compare.
Why I prefer more than this way, I prefer this assembly. Why? Because that will be getting highlight you only.
Yeah.
What is the deviations, it will be highlighted for you.
Yeah.
In that way, in comparing part. But here you can actually you can measure it and you can do the changes in top down approach. You can do the changes here itself. So
Okay.
that's why I prefer this way
Yeah.
more than that.
Makes
So
sense.
if I want to do here, if I want to do any cutouts or anything, I can re-edit it and I can match to this part.
Yeah.
Instead of comparing that part, again taking up those dimensions and how
Yeah.
much value, what is the differences need to check. Instead of that, I will be going with this thing.
Yeah. Makes sense. Thank you so much, Kiran. Really appreciate your time. We'll continue with the model. So once you did the comparison with the models and drawing, you are moving with the MBD
I
creation.
think here we have created CM2. See, I think CM1 has all. CM1 is also there. I think I did something wrong. CM0 is also there. Yeah, just a minute.
Yeah.
Vasundhara. Compare part. Budget. Practice part. 0. 0. Right. It is still showing red. I think here we have to check up. In CM part. No. Oh, okay, Vasundhara, I'll check on this.
Sure, Kiran.
Actually, it was creating a thought. Okay. I'll check and I'll get back to you on this.
Sure. So just to summarize the comparison that we are doing with models and drawing, after that we need to move to the MBD model creation for all the parts, is it?
Yes. But even that one also not yet finalized, I believe. As of now, we are giving only a few datums only. I believe that is not a big work.
Yeah.
If they like it, we can continue. If not, we can delete it. That single tab. It doesn't take much time.
Yeah.
Instead of reworking again of all the parts.
Yeah. So if you say in the Excel, if we say complete, that means we have completed the MBD model also, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, Kiran. Sure. Thank you so much, Kiran. We can both take 3 parts each from our list and check with the RS surgical team if we need any further updates then.
Okay.